A group within IP&O's Strategic Services Department is responsible for leading all systems training and employee development programs within the division. Let's spotlight myPath training and employee development.
The full title of our group is myPath Training and Employee Development. So what we do really fits into two categories. So we handle all the software systems training for the division. We have major systems such as ServiceNow, eBuilder, also known as Trimble, and currently AIM as well. So we do all the systems training for that. We do a blend of web-based training, instructor-led training. And then we also have the employee development side. So in employee development, we help people grow in their careers. So if someone within IP&O wants to advance, we give them opportunities to kind of carve out their own path for skill acquisition. We hold one-on-one consultations and resume reviews. We also do workshops that are related to developing certain soft and hard skills within the workplace.
The team of instructional designers, made up of Jesse Garin, Lisa Carvalho, and Russell Fong, each have their own area of specialty while also working collaboratively.
I tend to focus more on the web-based trainings. For example, one of my bigger projects is the SOPs training, which is basically I'm going to be working on creating a training course about employee services and also SOPs for managers as well, going through the whole onboarding process. So it's a big task.
I develop some web-based training and also some other live instruction as well, but I mainly focus on the ESL program here at Rutgers. It's the English as a Second Language program for all IP&O employees who may want to improve their language skills to communicate better with their supervisors and their colleagues.
I've been tasked with a lot of the systems training. So right now I'm pretty deep into ServiceNow. We are almost through the final phase of that project. We're going to be training all the mechanical maintenance shops. So we're developing trainings. We are kind of planning out how the rollout is going to go in terms of training over 600 employees. So that's really a big project I'm focused on now.
While we work on our own different projects on our own, we do collaborate very often. We make sure that we know each other's content so that we can step in whenever somebody else needs support.
I honestly feel like this has been my most collaborative job so far, just because we've worked together a lot. For example, for ServiceNow, I feel like ServiceNow is all hands on deck project. Jesse works on parts of the training, then I'll work on some parts, and then Lisa will work on making the videos. It's definitely the most collaborative job I had since I started working.
It's not only with the members of our group too, because we're part of strategic services. We really interact with everybody at IP&O, all the departments.
The team uses the ADDIE model when designing courses, giving them a clear process for designing effective, consistent, and learner-focused instructional materials.
When we go to develop a training, especially the web-based training, we follow the ADDIE process, and that stands for Analysis, Design, Development, Implementation, and Evaluation.
So we do analysis, so we kind of take stock of what the training needs are.
The design portion of the process is where we implement any type of branding. We decide if it's going to be web-based, in person, or some sort of hybrid. We also implement any type of educational theories, whether that's Bloom's taxonomy, constructivism, social cognitive theory, all of these different theories that go into how we are designing the course. And then we take that and we storyboard the course and lay out a framework of what we're going to do.
Next is development part, which is my personal favorite part, basically making the course, creating the assets for the course, graphics, videos, using articulate storyline. We also use a mixture of Premiere Pro for video editing, and I also use Camtasia and Beyond and 11 Labs. There's a lot of tools we use.
For the implementation part of the process, we decide whether it's going to be put on our training resource library, which houses all of our training materials and also user guides and things of that nature. And then sometimes we are actually delivering it live, such as the ESL classes and certain parts of other systems training.
Then we evaluate. So we take stock of how we did. We offer surveys, usually through Qualtrics, sometimes written surveys depending on the population of learners. And they can give our feedback, which we do look at pretty seriously and implement positive changes.
IP&O employees can reach out to the myPath group to request employee development services or visit the training resource library on the IP&O intranet for training materials.
The whole point of myPath is to help people feel supported in their roles. And I think that's really important because when you feel like there's a team of approachable people that you can go to ask questions, and you're not going to be made to feel like less than or not, not smart enough. Like, we've all been there. We're all comfortable asking questions of each other. We really want the people that we help and serve within IP&O to feel comfortable coming to us because we want them to feel supported in their jobs so they can do their best work and feel fulfilled here at Rutgers.